Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where your PC will not connect to the internet but other devices will, and you wish to fix internet connectivity issues, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolution. So here's the thing, if other devices are connecting, it means that the internet connection in the router is absolutely fine. So we won't go with the power cycle mode, but here is what we will try. Actually, we'll stick to three solutions. Right click on the start button, select settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side, select Troubleshoot, select Other Troubleshooters, and then click on Run corresponding to the Network and Internet Troubleshooter. The next solution is to update the network drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open Device Manager. Now, expand the list for network adapter drivers. Right click on the MediaTek Wi-Fi 1 and select Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And lastly, after that, you can reset the network settings. So right click on the Start button, select Settings from the menu. Now go to the Network and Internet tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Click on Reset Now and finally click on Yes. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.